Hi there, I am Chich Barnabas. I know you are here because you have earned some money or royalties on your KDP report dashboard, and you are wondering when the money will get into your bank account. I am going to explain to you how the entire process works. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, please do well to like and share and subscribe to this video so that you will be the first to know whenever I put out content like this. And if you watch this video to the end, you will know exactly what to expect the next time you earn royalties from your Amazon KDP business. So without wasting time, let's dive in so I can show you. Here we are on the Amazon platform where it has explained how payment is being made whenever you make money from the platform. So I'm going to explain to you using the Amazon platform itself and then also using my experience that I've gathered over the years collecting royalties from Amazon business. One of the first questions that it answers here is, when will I get paid? So when you get into that, they are going to now explain to you the entire process of how you are going to be receiving your payments. Now, this is how you get your money. Once you earn your money, Amazon expect that your royalty will stay with them for up to 60 days. So if you earn your money in January, you are expecting your payment at the end of March, February in between. So if you earn money in January, you are going to be expecting your payment from those royalties at the end of March, be it your ebook, be it your paperback, or your hardcover. Now, this is how it works for me and most people that reside in Nigeria. On the 21st or 20th, between the 21st and 20th, you will receive payment notification from Amazon based on the marketplaces from which you earn money. So a payment notification will come to your email. As you can see right here, I received about 3 of them for this month, that I'm going to be receiving a payment from Amazon at the end of the day. So now when you open this payment notification, you will find that they will send you a message. If you look at the date here, this was August 21st, 2022. And now remember that these were royalties that I earned in June. So when you earn in June, you will receive in August. When you earn in July, you will receive in September. So these are royalties that I earned in June. And then you can see that the payment date here is slated for 29th of August. So give or take from the 29th to the 30th and 31st, monies are going to be coming into my bank account. And then your bank account here will depend solely on what you added on your KDP account. So if you added Pioneer on the 29th, this payment is going to go into your Pioneer account. For me, I am using Grey.co. So if it is Grey you are using, or any other platform or payment that you have added onto the KDP, you are going to be receiving money in that bank account. So just a recap: you earn money in January, and then in March you receive your payment. And if you are in Nigeria, the notification for the payment comes in from the 20th to the 21st, and then from 29th, 30th, or based on the number of days that are in that month towards the end, you will receive your payment in that order. Now, I will leave a link to this topic down in the description so that you can take a look at it and look at the other things that they discussed, like what is the minimum payment and how payment withholding works, and then how to set up your payment method. And then for how to set up your payment method, I have already created a video that will teach you how you can add your payment details to your KDP and receive your money. And someone may ask, why am I using Grey.co? I'm using Grey.co because I am able to receive money from that account in my Naira bank account at a black market rate. And now sometimes there may be delay in your payment. And now these delays, one of the causes most times is changing your payment around the 15th to the 21st of the month. Now, Amazon advises that if you are going to be changing your payment details, that should be done between the 1st and the 15th of every month. So some people maybe in a rush, or maybe there's an issue with the account, they rush in to change their payment details, sometimes from the 17th or the 19th or the 20th, thereabout, or sometimes even after the 21st, and then they have delay in payment. So if sometimes your payment is delaying, then it could be that you have done certain changes on your account within this period from the 15th to the 21st, when you should be receiving notifications. So if that's not the case, your payment will usually come in, except there is another issue that you need to tackle with Amazon directly for delay in payments. If there's none of that, and then you don't change your payment details between this time I've just mentioned, then you should have your payment good to go. I believe this is clear enough. So once you earn your money, that's what happens. You are going to wait for 60 days. After 60 days, the money gets sent to you, and then you receive it in your designated bank. I hope this helps. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do what to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always coming around to watch our videos. And until then, see you in our next video. Bye bye for now.